Hey YouTube, what's up? As you can see here, we've got a dirt bike. I have a dirt bike. I just bought this about 3 hours ago off of Let Go, just like Craigslist basically. But this is a old 1983 Yamaha MX100, and it's actually a really good deal. I bought it for $550. Yeah. Anyway, let's get started on this thing. Got the stock pipe, like normal, just stock pipe. Got a new back tire that the guy I bought it from put on about a month ago. Brand new back tire. Front tire is still original, but what I like about this bike is it has the dual shocks, not the monoshock. I like the dual shocks better. I'm not sure why, they just feel better. This guy also put new sprockets on the back and the front. Well, of course you can't see that, but there's one on the front too. Fairly new chain. It's a little dusty because I was just out riding it. But all in all, really cool. Drum brakes. Nice little air filter, cold air intake air filter. Air cooled. All the original graphics and stuff. I put fly handlebars on there, or the guy put fly handlebars on there, and then some new grips, nice grips. I thought they were Pro Taper, but they say Scott. I don't know, but they're comfortable, nice and comfortable. Front tire is original from 1983. Got some nice, oh never mind, nice front shocks. Got a new gas tank cap here. Anyway, you get it. There's a new gas tank cap. It's a 1.5 gallon gas tank. Probably lasts you about 100 miles. Takes non-ethanol fuel because it doesn't want to jam up the carburetor. And it is a two-stroke. But what's cool about this bike is it is not a two-stroke where you mix two-stroke oil in with the fuel. This is a two-stroke oil injected bike. So you undo this little hatch flap thing, flip over the seat. Right here is your two-stroke oil thing. Guess put some, I only use Yamalube, which is Yamaha. It's their brand of two-stroke oil. Works really good. I use it in everything, or Lucas Oil Max, but I use Yamalube only in this since it is a Yamaha, and it's been using that for years, the guy said. So it's a really sweet bike. It's got that fuel injection, or oil injection thing. No lights or anything, just a old dirt bike. It's got a new shifter down here. New shifter. It is air cooled. Probably mentioned that already. Got a new, or fairly new carburetor. Probably like 2 or 3 years old. Plastics are all good. It's only missing one. That's missing one plastic that's supposed to be covering this thing. Like on, I don't know, that's the muffler thing. But anyway, there's supposed to be a plastic there. It's not there, but I am totally fine with that. I have to adjust this little kickstand though, because it's a little loose. It's a little bit loose. So I'll adjust that later. Come on. I'll adjust that later. But I just bought this 3 hours ago. It runs perfect for a 1983. It runs absolutely amazing. Really, that's it. That's it for this bike. That was a really good deal. $550 for this whole bike. And he also gave me some more grips. The other grips he gave me were Pro Taper. They're Pro Taper red grips. These are Scott or something like that. I don't know. New clutch lever and brake lever over there. He put new drum brakes in there. I don't know. He said 3 or 4 years ago. He's had it for years, and he sold it to me. And got pretty good compression, really. So it's a 100cc two-stroke. Got good compression. 5 gears, 1 down, 4 up. That's it. This exhaust is cool to me because it has this like square expansion chamber thingy behind this metal guard. It's really weird, but sounds great. I'll start it up for you in one of the next videos, and I'll show you this Yamaha oil stuff. This is the Yamaha. You can get it at any motorcycle shop. That's what I use. That's what you're supposed to use on that dirt bike. This is what I usually use on any other thing. The Lucas semi-synthetic. You could use that in there, but might gum up the carb or something. I don't know. Doesn't really matter, but I stick to that stuff because it runs good, doesn't smoke. So that's about it. All in all, great bike. If you guys can find one of these and it runs good, pick it up because it's a real nice bike. Yeah, like I said, drum brakes, front rear shocks, dual shocks, exhaust, new rear tire. It needs some transmission fluid, but I'll fix that later. But yeah, that's really about it for this bike, and I'll see you guys in the next video.